Well, number one is pretty easy. The answer will be no, because for obvious reason that f0 doesn't equal to g0. So okay, the 2h is, I think, not a big problem, because, well, as long it is bigger than 0, as long as it is bigger than 0, then it's not a big problem either. So I think it's easy. Now 2g. Somebody asked about 2g. Remember that sine x is between minus minus 1 sine x. Okay, sorry. I will try again. Sorry for the inconvenience. So it is minus 1 okay, I think you understand. So for the gx, because sine x is between minus 1 and 1, so the value of this divisor is between the smallest one, oh, will be minus 5, and the biggest one will be minus 1, because when sine x is minus 1, then the divisor will be minus 5, and when sine x equal to 1, the divisor will be minus 1. So it never touches 0. So gx is safe. I mean, it cannot touch infinity. So the domain of the gx is all real number. So the answer will be all real number. Okay, I think 2g is quite easy. Number 3, I think number 3, this 3c I did before. Uh, if you forget, I will do again. And sorry, I will check your 3-1, 3-1 and 3-3. 3-1. Okay, 3-1 is, it's not that hard, but I think you. Oh, This one equals to limit x approaching 0. The same as limit x approaching 0 sine x sine 3x over 3x 3x over x and 1 over 5x cubic minus 4, right? Oh, minus 4x, sorry. So this one will be equal to, I forget what's the name of the properties, but sine 3x over 3x limit. So you can separate limit into each of these thing of 3x over x approaching 0, limit x approaching 0, 1 over 5, la 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 la. And I think the rest is easy. This one is 1. This one is 3. 1 times 3 times this one is 1 over. Oh, sorry, I make mistake. Sorry. So it should be x squared minus 4. Yes. Oh, so it is 5x squared minus 4. So it is 0 minus 4. So it's become minus 3 over 4. So yeah, this is the answer. I think it's quite clear, right? The next one, okay, welcome. 3C I did before. Somebody asked number 4. So, okay, number 4, using squeeze theorem. So, limit x approaching 4 for x minus 9 smaller equal than limit x approaching 4 fx smaller equal limit x approaching 4 x squared minus 4x plus 7. So it's become 7 smaller equal than limit x 4 fx smaller than 7. So by squeeze theorem, we have limit x approaching 4 of fx equals to 7. Okay, number 4. Number 5. Okay, welcome. Did anybody ask about number 3, 2? No. So 3, 2 is okay. Later, if we have time, we I'll do 3, 2. But let us do number 5 first. Okay. Well, we know that the divisor equal to 0, but we don't want the answer to be infinite. We want the answer, sorry, we don't want, no, not infinite. It's fine if it is infinite, but we don't want the answer to be 0 over, well, it is easy, but I just want to make sure it is mathematically correct. Oh, we want the answer to be 0 over 0. So yeah, we want the answer to be 0 over 0 so that we can do our usual limit business, I think. So let's make the dividend equal to 0. Mm, let's make this. So we have 12 plus minus 2a plus a plus 3 equal to 15. Equal to equal to 0. So minus a plus 15 equals 0. A equals 15. So we substitute a equals 15. We have limit x to minus 2, 3x squared plus 15x plus 18 over x squared plus x minus 2. This, what I want to do here is to ensure that yes, we can simplify the equation, and we can drive out x plus 2 factor from the dividend and divisor. So we have x approaching minus 2. The above is 3 times x plus 5 x plus 2 times x plus 3 and x plus 2 and x minus 1 here. So we can simplify x plus 3 over x minus 1. So we have the answer will be what? X approaching minus 2. Yeah. Minus 3 above is 1. So 3 over minus 3 minus 1. So yeah, I think it's not hard, but what I want to show you is it's not enough that you get the answer A equals to 15. You must also show that when use A equals 15, we can have this kind of form, x plus 3 divided by x minus 1. Basically, you must prove that you can drive out the zero factor, the x plus 2 factor. I think it's clear, right, for number 5? Okay. I think it's the time. I think the time has been 4:30. I will continuing answering the 3-2, but if you if you have class or what for whatever reason you want to leave, you can leave now. Thank you very much. So yeah, I will continue number 3-2 because I think it's quite interesting question. So what is the limit of x approaching minus 6? Anybody has answer? Yes, it does not exist because the left limit. So because the left hand limit doesn't equal the right hand limit. I think that's quite clear. Okay, I think that's all. Is there any question? No. Okay. Thank you very much for coming and see you next week. Oh, by the way, don't worry, I will put in the Moodle too, beginning from the next week. If you want to come to the class, the offline class, you can come to the offline class, but I will still uh, open the Google Meet, so you can uh, come to the online or offline class. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.